Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
Now we are moving to exercise 5.1. In this exercise we are here question number 2. The question is, men are marked as M, women are marked as W. Man is starting with M, so men are marked with M. Woman is starting with W, so women are represented by W. Boy as B and girl as S. It is written in the question that the given list is of those shoppers who came during first hour in the morning. So there is a shop which when open, so in first hour of the morning these shoppers come. Shoppers means men, women, boys and girls. So the question is asking, make a frequency distribution table using tally marks. You need to make a frequency distribution table with tally marks and draw a bar graph, and then you need to draw a bar graph also. So here we are starting solving it. First we have written shoppers, then tally marks and then frequency. Shoppers are men, women, boys and girls. So men are represented by M, women by W, boys by B and girls by G. Here we will mark tally marks and the frequency we will write here. As we have already wrote the frequency, but I'll tell you how we write frequency. The very first is men. So we need to count how many men came to first hour during the shopping. The question, or we can say the data is here, so we need to count M from here. So let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So men are 15. We wrote men 15. In the same way we will count women are 28. Then we will count boys are 5. After that we will count girls, means G. So G or girls are 12. Now we will mark, or we will put tally marks. The very first is 15. So how to mark 15 tally marks? Let's see. Here is 15. So we will mark 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So these are the 15 tally marks. And then 28. So we will mark 28 here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 and 28. And in the same way we will mark tally marks of 5 and 12 also. So bachcho, here we have marked all the tally marks of the frequency number. Frequency number is also called only number. Now we will add them. We will find out the total of the frequency. So add 15, 28, 5 and 12. The addition of these numbers is 60. Let's come to the data. Data is here. count all the data. Is it 60 or not? When you will count them, you will find them that these are 60. So here we got that the tally marks is completed. After this frequency distribution table, question is that draw a bar graph to illustrate. We need to draw a bar graph also. So let's move to the bar graph. Here we have drawn a bar graph. The numbers we have taken with the interval of 5 as 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. These numbers are representing frequency, means quantity. And in below we have marked shoppers. Who are the shoppers? Shoppers are men, women, boys and girls. So now look at the data or look at the frequency distribution table. The table is here. Men are 15. So in this bar graph we will mark men to 15. As you can see that 15 is here and men are here. So we need to draw a bar up to 15. You can see that we have drawn a bar up to 15 of men. Now look at the women. The frequency distribution table tells that women are 28. So we will mark 28 for women. As you can see that 25 is here and 30 is here. So we will put our scale here and we will mark 28. So 28 will be approximately here. So we will mark a bar from here for women. Boys are 5, so we mark 5, and girls are 12, so we mark 12 girls with the help of bars. So this is the bar representation of the given data. Hope you have understood it.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑफ एडुफन क्लासेस। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।